How to fix the downloads folder is not responding on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're having this problem on your Windows, here are a few solutions that you can try on. To get started with, you need to restart your Explorer task. For this, open Task Manager. You can either right-click on the Start button or the task bar and go to Task Manager, or you can directly press in Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key. Then after, go to the Processes tab and find Windows Explorer or Explorer.exe. If you find it, right-click on it and click on End Task, then tap on Run New Task and type in Explorer.exe and click on OK to restart your Windows Explorer. And this should probably fix the issue. If it does not, let's move on to the next solution. For this, let's optimize the downloads folder. Now you can open File Explorer. You can find it on the Start button as well. And once you reach there, on the left hand side, right click on the Downloads folder and then go to its properties. Go to the Customize tab and under it, optimize this folder for drop down either pictures or videos. Check the box, apply this template to all soft folders as well. Click on Apply and then on OK. After that, if there is any problem with your files and folders, could also have the same problem. In this case, you might have to run a scanner test. For this, open Command Prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. Once you have opened the command prompt, write in the command sfc/scan now. This is to scan all the devices for the corrupted files on your device. This might take 10 to 15 minutes, so make sure to restart your computer once the scan is completed. Likewise, for the last solution, you can run the disk cleanup as well. Disk cleanup is an application found on your device system as well. So just tap on the search bar and type in disk cleanup. This will first calculate all the memory space that can be cleaned up, usually on your drive C. Once the box is open, make sure to click on all the boxes and the types of file you want to get deleted. This includes temporary files, system files, etc. Then click on Clean up System Files and confirm your choices. Restart your computer and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.